What I have here is a little Bird 43 versus the Dosy 4000 TC 4002 SW. Okay, well, the way I'm going to start out is I'm going to go 200 scale on the Dosy. I got the old aftermarket PEP kit on the Bird 43. I'm going to switch it off. 500 watt slug. Probably this thing don't have any kind of focus on it, so just got to do the best I can with it. Anyway, running a little 2-peel brute force 2879 on 100 amp switching power supply. Dead key on the Dosy. Okay. RMS average. Dead key is a little over 20 watts. Bird 43, almost 30. Yep. Factory fresh Dosy, never been tampered with. Here's our swing on average on the Bird 43 with the aftermarket PEP, which is off right now, 500 watt slug. Oh, oh, oh. Looks like about 140. Look over here. Oh, oh, about 120 on the Dosy. Okay. PEP, 500 watt slug, Dose Bird 43. Got to go up to the 2000, 4000 scale on the Dosy. Put it on peak. Here's a peak on the Bird 43. Oh, just a tad over 300. Oh, maybe 320, 310. Oh, look at the Dosy on peak. Oh, yeah. Man, I sound like an idiot. Because I am an idiot. But anyway, there you go. That's my little comparison. Bird 43 versus Dosy. Look pretty close to me. I don't know. For the money, you're talking one right there. What about 149, 150 nowadays? Something like that. I don't know. I've had this meter about 10 years, I believe. 10, 15 years, something like that. That one there, just picked it up not too long ago. PEP, Bird, 500 watt slug. What are you talking? Maybe close to 300 plus dollars. I don't know. What do you think? All right. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. MM555NC. Catch you later. Bye bye.